Welcome to this week's Journal of Supply Chain Bulletin. We have rounded up the top 10 headlines shaping global trade, logistics, and infrastructure, from billion-dollar port projects and major investments to international partnerships. This update covers the biggest stories you need to know. Auric City to expand by 10,000 acres under DMIC. Industries demand rapid transport, logistic hubs, and expressways, critical for attracting global manufacturers and boosting exports. Government is evaluating mass transit and freight corridor links. This move could position Aurangabad as India's next big export hub. Three firms submitted bids for 174 acres multi-modal park. The site connects rail freight corridors and Jewar Airport. Project to include warehousing, container terminals and cold storage. UP government pushing for logistic-driven industrial growth. Big boost expected for NCR's freight and e-commerce ecosystem. FADA warns of disruption due to global trade tensions. US tariffs, China's rare earth export control causing concern. EV and chip component delays impact production. Retail sales slipped across categories, expect three-wheelers. Supply chain diversification is now a key auto strategy. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shri Mohan Yadav visits UAE and Spain for July 13th to 19th. Focus attracting investment in PM Mitra textile parks and logistics. Meetings lined up with global warehousing and infrastructure firms. Madhya Pradesh aims to be Central India's logistics and textile hub. Aggressive outreach signals India's push for global supply chain role. Successfully used electronic bill of lading for coal imports. Marks shift to paperless, faster trade documentation. Streamlined customers clearance and improved shipment tracking. Major step towards trade digitization in India. More Indian firms expected to adopt EBL soon. US to impose 35% import duty on Bangladeshi textiles. Indian stocks like Gokaldas and Vardhaman jumped up to 8%. US buyers are looking to shift sourcing to India, positive for India's yarn, garments and apparel exporters. Geopolitics once again reshaping global trade routes. Private cargo terminal launched in Ahmedabad on VDFC line. 120 acres facility includes electrified bulk rail lines. It enhances connectivity to Dahej, Pipavav and JNPT port. Model shift to rail expected to cut logistic cost, part of India's dedicated freight corridor expansion strategy. India investing heavily in MMLP's road rail port connectivity, focus shifting from just-in-time to just-in-case models. Global disruptions make domestic capacity building urgent. Smart warehousing, cold chains and digital freight rising. India aims to be a self-reliant logistic power by 2030. Handled 393 ships and 0.83 million TEUs in first year. Phase 2 will triple capacity and enhance EXIM trade. Awaiting road and rail upgrades to launch full operations. Port seen as Southern India's future container gateway. Strategic for reducing dependency on Colombo and Singapore hub. New terminal in Gujarat to handle 2.19 million TEUs annually. DP World expanding inland railway, warehouses and last mile infra. Major confidence boost from global supply chain leader. Strengthens India's position in global freight movement. FDI in logistics set to surge over the next decade. That's a wrap on this week's top logistics and supply chain stories. If you found this update helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more weekly insights. Got thoughts or stories we should cover? Drop them in the comments below. Until next time, stay informed, stay ahead.